The CM Answers Anonymous Posting add-on includes anonymous questions and support to the Answers forum plugin. In this video, we'll cover how to let users interact anonymously on your forum, adding questions and answers. All the core functionality of the add-on is located in two screens. First, navigate to the admin dashboard, CM Answers Pro Settings. Click on the Access tab and then Access Control section. This section has extremely important settings. You can set who can view questions, answers, post questions, answers, and comments. For each of those options, you can set who can. Be sure to mark all as everyone so even guests can interact in the forum. Choosing default anonymous alias. First, set what name they will have by default. This default will apply if the guest user leaves the Enter Your Nickname field empty while posting. You can let everyone attach files to their posts. Note that this can create security risks. Be sure to enable moderation. Finally, you can choose to ask for an email and optionally require it. Chances are you want to moderate each guest interaction. To do so, navigate to the Access and Moderation tab. Under the Moderation section, disable Auto-Approve New Questions and Auto-Approve New Answers. Enabling reCAPTCHA is a great way to prevent spam in your forum. Let's go back to the Anonymous Posting tab again, and then to the CAPTCHA section. To enable the security measure, you must acquire reCAPTCHA API keys from Google. Once you have the keys, add them to the reCAPTCHA key fields. You can maintain a log of forum activity, including posted questions and answers. To enable it, navigate to the General tab, then the Other section. There, check Enable Logs to log the activity of all users, including guests. To add additional country information for each IP that is collected in the log file, you can use geolocation. Geolocation requires an API key. This integration includes some specific labels related to the form. This way, you can adapt all messages related to anonymous posting. Head to the Anonymous tab and then the Labels section to edit all relevant text. Let's check the complete result.